morning. Welcome to our December 13, 2021 class. Let's start the class by counting from 1 to 30. Count with teacher, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Very good. So now that we're already done with counting from 1 to 30, let's have our letter for today. So we are already on the letter L. So we have capital letter L and lowercase letter L. And what is the sound of the letter L? The sound of L is oh, very good. Now, let's learn what are the pictures that begin with the letter L. So we have L is for lion, L is for leaf, L is for lamp, L is for ladder, L is for lock, L is for lighthouse, L is for lawnmower, L is for lollipop, and L is for love. All of these pictures begin with what letter again? Letter L, yes. And the sound of L is what again? The sound of L is, oh, good job. So now that we already know what the pictures that begin with the letter L is, we can now make our letter L hat. Let's start by tracing our capital and our lowercase letter L here on our hat, and let's paste the pictures of the leaf, the lion, the ladybug, the lemon, and lastly, we have our ladder. So all of these pictures begin with what letter again? Letter L. Let's identify the pictures one more time. We have our leaf, lemon, lion, ladder, and lastly, our ladybug. Now, let's get our first worksheet for today where we have to find the letter L. So let's start by tracing our name here on top, writing our name on top, and let's look for our capital and lowercase letter L. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We found 12 letter L's, and let's also color our lion. Letter L for lion. Now, it's time for us to learn how to write our letter L. So let's write our capital letter L. Get your whiteboards, please. Let's start by making a straight line down to the bottom and a line to the side, okay? Again, straight line down to the bottom and a line to the side. One more time, straight line down to the bottom, line to the side, and we now have capital letter L. And capital letter L is easy to write. Is it right? Yes, it is. Okay, now let's practice some more. Let's get the worksheet that looks like this and let's make our letter L. Capital letter L by tracing as close to the line as possible. There you go. Try to make your letter L look very nice, just like what teacher is doing. I have my capital letter L. Did you finish writing your capital letter L also? Very nice. Now, let's continue practicing and let's have these worksheets. So let's start with our letter L is for lollipop. So we can use different colors to color our letter L for lollipop. So I will use yellow for my capital letter L, and then red for my lowercase letter L. I will use green and blue for my lollipop. Okay. And I will also color the stick of my lollipop. And let's not forget we have to trace the word lollipop. Already done with this one? Okay, now it's time for us to trace. Let's trace capital letter L and lowercase letter L here. Okay, let's also trace the curvy lines. And let's trace capital letter L. Let's not forget we also have to write capital letter L. Capital letter L some more. And for lowercase letter L, it's just a straight line down. Just like that. Very fast and very nice. Lowercase letter L. And let's sort the letters. Capital letter L goes here and lowercase letter L goes here. And if you're already done with your work, you can now proceed to the next page where we have our count and graph. So let's start with our capital letter L. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Oopsies. Again, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 capital letter L's. That means we have to make 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. Next one, we have our lowercase letter L. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's have our color yellow for our lion. 1, 2, 3. 3 only, 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. And let's have color green for our Lego. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then let's have our lollipop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. And then we have our log. Let's count. 1, 2, only 2. Let's make 2 dots. 1, 2. 2 dots for our log. And lastly, we have our leaf, I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So let's make 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you finish your count and graph just like teacher? Very nice. Let's proceed to the next page where we have to color our capital and our lowercase letter L. Let's start with our capital letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I found 10 capital letter L's. Did you find 10 also? Yes, you did. Now let's have our lowercase letter L. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 lowercase letter L's. Now, for the last worksheet that we have for today, we have to color by case. So we just need red and blue. So let's start with color red. Capital letter L should be color red. So let's color all the capital letter L's. And when we're all done coloring this, we will see what the hidden picture is. So let's color it. You can use your dabber or your crayon for this work. Okay, teacher colored all the capital letter L's. Let's change to color blue and color our lowercase letter L. Our lowercase letter L. This looks like water. The blue one is like water here. And now that we're all done, what is our hidden picture? We have a lobster. The lobster was the one hiding from us. So we have letter L for lobster. So before teacher gives you your friend today, I am going to have a review for you. So let's go to our Google slide. We have our letter L. And the sound of L is L, just like L for leaf. So now let's cover or drag the pictures that show the leaves, that has the letter L. So let's start with this one. Is this the letter L? Oh no, the leaf doesn't want to move again. So let's just color. Is this letter L? No, it's letter P. Is this capital letter L? Yes, it is. How about this one? Is this letter L? Yes. How about this one? Is this letter L? No, it's the letter F. How about this one? Is this the letter L? Yes, it is. How about this one? Is this letter L? No, that's letter J. How about this one? Is this letter L? Yes, it is. How about this? Is this letter L? I think it's letter L. No, it's not. It's the letter Y. This one, is this letter L also? No, it's the letter D. How about this one? Is this letter L? Yes. This is also letter L. This is also letter L. This is letter L. This one is also letter L. This one is letter L. And the last one is not the letter L because it's the letter R. We found all of the capital letter L's. Now let's have our lowercase letter L this time. So we have to color lowercase letter L. So let's start with this one. Is this lowercase? Yes, it is. This one is also lowercase. This one is lowercase. And this one is lowercase. Wow! All of the lowercase letters are beside each other. How about this one? Is this lowercase? No, it's the letter N. How about this one? Is this the lowercase letter L? Yes, it is. How about this one? It looks like the letter L, but it has a line in the middle. So it's not the letter L, it's letter T. Okay, and this one is also the letter L. This one is the letter L. No, it's the letter R. This one is the letter L. No, it's the letter V. This one is the letter L. Yes, it is. This is also L. This is letter L. This is letter S, so we should not color that. This is the letter U, we should also not color. This is the letter L. So we found our capital and our lowercase letter L's. So for the last review, we have our pictures. So let's see if this one will move. So we have L is for nest. No, it begins with the letter N. L is for lemon. Yes. L is for lion. Yes. L is for leaf. Another yes. L is for lock. Yes. L is for balloon. No. So now that we're already done with our letter L, it's time for teacher to give you your friends. So I will give Amira the dog. I will give Anton the elf. I will give Evo the Santa Claus. I will give Mason the Nutcracker. And I will give Mina the smiling face Christmas tree. Thank you for listening to teacher. I will see you again on Wednesday. Bye-bye.